Here's how to turn off call recording on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn off call recording on your iPhone device. So what you simply need to do is just go to your settings. And once you're inside settings, what you need to do is just swipe down till the bottom until you find apps. Go ahead and open apps and just simply tap on the apps right over here. And here, as you can see, there are many apps, but you just need to find the phone app. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit until I find the phone app. So let's just see where the phone app is. And here we are. And I'm just going to check, make sure there is no other phone app. And yeah, simply just need to find the phone app and it's right over here. And just need to go ahead and press on phone app. And once you press on it here, as you can see, it will show you your details and stuff, but you just gotta swipe down until you see the option of call recording. So now just simply go ahead and press on call recording. And once you do that here, as you can see that my call recording has been turned on. So in order to turn it off, you just simply need to go ahead and switch off and there you go. And you've actually switched it off. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can turn off call recording on your iPhone device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.